Hello there, my name's Malcolm Boudin and I will be your instructor for the MNB Network's WAN design course scheduled to launch on the 31st of August 2020. The course is focused on WAN technology, but specifically from a design perspective. The reason for this is the changing landscapes in the networking industry. We need to be prepared for new technologies such as SD-WAN, but a fundamental understanding of the underlying technologies and what will become the underlays is very important in order to make those initiatives successful. On the screen we show what we will cover from WAN technologies and topologies, the various different types of transport available, gluing them all together, regional and global design, SD-WAN automation, migrations, and high and low level design documentation development. Course materials are wide and varied, anything from a classroom environment, daily quiz, templates and diagrams, along with access to different parts of the MNB Network's training platform. This includes a virtual classroom, cloud diagram team software so that we are able to collaborate and work together. We also have a testing engine which is developed in-house. On the screen you see a very basic example and some dummy questions on how this quiz works, and the subject matters will be targeted at what you had learned earlier on that day. You are able to submit your answers and then find out whether you reach the minimum pass mark, but if you want to try it again, no problem, you're able to do that as part of the class. In addition to the various materials that will be provided via the classroom environment, and in addition to the testing, we also will have access via a mobile app which will provide full access to all of the course materials. So if you have to go on the move or if you're away from your computer, then you're able to access the materials via the mobile app. Also on the course, we always start off all of our courses by talking about some network design fundamentals, which will be true and work well for many other different network designs, not only WAN. We will also look at various different parts of the network and where the different types of WAN transports fit in to the different parts of the infrastructure and how they integrate into the network. We'll then dive into the content of each section. The first section is on WAN topologies and technologies. So a very high level, we will talk about the various different transports, what different WANs could look like, and then we will double down on various different technologies such as L3 VPN, L2 VPN, internet-based VPN, and talk about the characteristics with each of these services. Once we've talked about the characteristics of each of these services, we'll move on to talking about use cases. If you'd like more information about the course or to see a demonstration of the classroom environment or any of the materials, please join us on the next webinar and sign up in the link. Thanks for watching.